Would it be acceptable for a patient just to take their medical records without, because there are some doctors that are a little bit hesitant about, quote, recommending medical marijuana. Are you saying that if they could just take their medical records and show that they have X disorder diagnosed by a physician, or are they going to specifically need a physician to write a specific letter, or, you know, how does a doctor, quote, prescribe, since we can't prescribe marijuana from a federal standpoint? What's going to be the actual link from the doctor to the patient to the dispensary?
Yes, sir. The amendment uses the word assessment, that the physician will make an assessment of the patient. Certainly can do that by medical records or by physical examination or some other form or shape. They don't actually have to go run the whole battery of tests to determine somebody has Crohn's disease, for instance. So, yes, sir, they may use the medical records. That would be a good faith. As far as some details about, well, where does it hurt? Right here. Oh, you're qualified. We're going to leave that up to right now, the feeling in the legislative body, talking among the members, is that something that the medical board, state medical board, can intervene on? Anything that we can change, we as a state can change administratively, is preferable than changing it legislatively, because we only meet every 2 years to make corrections. And so the more that can be delegated to the agencies, which the legislature does review those rules, then the better off we'll be. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, I think getting the medical board involved would be.
Yes, sir.
a good move.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Any other questions for us?
You have any?
I guess just for clarification, on the transportation companies, so are you looking at, that would be a separate license to have companies that would actually, because apparently this is a cash business, my understanding, that would actually pick the cash up from dispensers or cultivation areas and actually bring it here to the DFA, and that how that protocol is supposed to work?
Well, it'd be cash and product.
Okay. And they would transport it from those areas to the DFA?
Specific areas, yes.
Okay, so companies, so are we looking at licensing those through this committee? Is that what you guys are? Okay.
That's correct.
I mean, it's somebody growing the stuff and they decide they want to operate their own fleet of trucks. Division of labor, market economies that are going on tells me that's unlikely, but it could happen. So those individual processes, yes, sir, you can license those and permit them under this act if it passes the legislature.
Okay.
I have one question for you. Thank you.